Hi everyone. Let's talk about interior design. And one thing that an interior design might come up with is place setting. Like if you're designing something for a big party or a wedding or something fancy, you have to design your place setting. Maybe it's the Thanksgiving dinner. But anyhow, you can see that the place settings, there's the formal dinner, and that's a lot of stuff. So most people don't have everything out on the table, but this is kind of a setup of what would be on the table. Here's a nice one. I love the green with the gold. You're thinking of color choices. You're thinking of layout. You're thinking about what feeling do you want the person that sits down at this table setting to feel? Okay. Here we have one. This one's more casual. It's like the picnic. It's got a little coffee in there. Here, I love napkin rings. Napkin rings can really set off a whole plate. It has a charger plate underneath, has the dinner plate, has the salad plate. I like the silverware design because it has that bamboo look. So coordinating what you're putting together is an interior design. What looks good together? I like the little flower that they put in there. Your centerpiece of the table is important as well. Your placemat, the colors, what's it on? It's on a wood table. Think about those things. This one's super fun, right? It's got more of a Christmas party theme to it. That there is one of those poppers where you pull and it's confetti so that like each person has their own name tag and it looks like a gift tag. It has a little cookie there for you, but it's kind of setting the scene. What design do you want to come from it? This one, the plate is actually in the shape of a leaf and it's on a green placemat and it's got all of these different things. So it doesn't have to be plain simple. It can be more unique to what your feeling is. You're the designer. You're the setting the table. These plates are unique and beautiful with the flower design on them, where they chose to put the napkin, their centerpiece. It's up to you. You can have a theme, or you could just go for elegance, or you can go for sloppy. I'd love to see a sloppy table set. That'd be kind of neat. You can do multiple seatings. So here you're seeing the aerial view, so up top, and you see three of them, and then you see the flowers below. Now, when you're looking at this angle, remember everything changes from what viewpoint you're looking at. Here's another napkin ring with a photo on it. I love it. And they put a little flower in with the napkin ring. Don't forget the centerpiece over there on the side. This one, I love the organic lines and polka dots and zigzags. It's kind of like a Zentangle on plates, and they're chose to use the gold silverware. All of that kind of makes sense. This one has definitely a theme. What theme is it? Did you say oranges? Good, because it's actually lemons, and you are right. Okay, so the plates are lemons, the centerpiece has lemons, the tablecloth's got lemons on it, but it all coordinates and goes together. Okay, here we have, ooh, elegant. Look at that white crisp with the candles, the flowers, a little bit of greens, nature. It's kind of like an Easter theme almost. Absolutely beautiful and elegant. Look at those chargers. It looks like a nest, using the wood. Okay, so those are things that design element needs to think about. Okay, so let's talk about angle. So on this side, you're looking at the table going across, okay? This one you're looking up above the setting. So what we're going to do is you can choose one or the other to come up with how you're going to draw your place settings. I am going, here's another beautiful, and these are from the top angle, right? So I am going, oh, look at the food. Sorry, I get distracted myself. Totally. Probably you're thinking, can we put food on the plate? Yes, you can design food on your plate if you choose to. So it's your picture, your creation, your table setting. What you're going to do is you're going to come up with first think, are you doing an aerial view or are you going to do looking straight at it view? Think about your angle first. Then I am going to show you both angles drawing and then in fast motion where you can look at it. And then I want you to come up and design your own. I can't wait to see your place setting design. When creating your place setting, you might want to use something that's already circled to help you with your design and trace the circles. Also, come up with your theme. My theme is fall, so I put a pumpkin in the middle of my plate for a little decoration. And then think about your color choices. You're designing this plate setting. Be creative. Now, there's different angles. Notice how I use my pencil first to sketch, and then I'm going to go in and put the permanent marker or whatever coloring you want to choose for your design. This is an angle where you're looking more at the side of it versus the first one you're looking at the top of it. Here are the two next to each other. You can choose either direction that you want. And of course, it doesn't have to be a fall theme. It can be any theme that you want to design because you are the interior design coming up with this whole unique plate setting.